Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I told you I was going to bring you another Dove deal. Guys, this time the Dove deal is from Target. It is not as good of a deal as I did at Rite Aid, but it's still a good deal, especially if you are a Dove lover. So, for those of you who haven't seen my last couple of videos, if you have not downloaded the Fetch app, you're going to need to download the Fetch app so that you could take advantage of it. The Fetch app has some terrific Dove rebates that don't expire until September 30th. If you haven't downloaded, I have put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. All you have to do is click on that link and go ahead and set your account up. When you scan your first receipt, and it doesn't matter where the receipt is from, it could be from a gas station, it could be from your nail tech, it could be for buying a candy bar, it doesn't matter. You can scan any type of receipt into Fetch and you get points. So when you scan your first receipt, you're going to get 2,000 points. 2,000 points equals $2. To figure out how much money it is, whenever you get points from Fetch, all you have to do is drop the last digit. So you're going to get 2,000 points, which is $2, plus the amount of any extra offers that you redeem on that receipt. Then when you share your code with your friends and family, when they redeem their first receipt, they're going to get $2 and you're going to get $2. Okay, so the deal that I did with this is at Target. Again, it's not a moneymaker like the deal that I did at Rite Aid, but it is still a decent deal for Dove products. Now, let me show you the Fetch app so that you can see what products you can get. I chose to get the body wash, the foaming body wash, as well as the body polish, but you can get any of the Dove products that are included in this Dove deal. So the ones that are included are the Dove foaming body wash. When you buy two, I'm going to put this up here so that we can scroll through. So when you buy two, you get 3,000 points, which is $3. You could do it 5 times. You could buy the Dove body polish. When you buy two, you get 4,000 points, which is $4. You could do that deal 5 times. You could buy the Dove Body Love Cleansers, and you could either buy the pumps or the jars. When you buy two, you get 4,000 points, which is $4. Again, you could do that 5 times. And then this one just popped up, and I wish I would have had it when I was at the store, because I would have definitely got this one, but that means I just have to make another trip. So the Dove Body Wash, 34 ounce only, the pump. It can't be the other body washes. It has to be the pump. 34 ounce. When you buy two, you get 4,000 points, which is $4. Or the Dove Body Wash twin packs, and it has to be the twin packs. When you buy two, you get 5,000 points, which is $5. So I thought the best deal for me were getting the 2 body polishes and the 2 foaming body washes. Now, right now, Target has a deal for this week. When you spend $25 on certain beauty products, and these Dove products are included, you get a $5 gift card. So I chose to go this route. So let me go over my receipt with you guys. Well, let me tell you what I got first. So I got the 2 foaming body washes. Here you see I got the hypoallergenic, and I got those 2 because the ones that I got at Rite Aid were the regular ones. And you guys know that I resell a lot, so I like to have a lot of variety into my stockpile. Now, you don't have to get the hypoallergenic. You can get any of the scents of the foaming body wash. It does not matter. Just make sure it is the foaming body wash, because those are the only body washes that count that are in the single and in this size, okay? So they are $6.99 a piece. And then I grabbed 2 of the body polishes. And again, it doesn't matter which scent you get of the body polishes. I just grabbed this one. Target has a nice selection of different scents. Whereas in my other video when I did the Rite Aid, I had to get what was on the shelf. Whereas when I went to Target, I was able to choose. So these are $7.19 each. So my total came to $28.36. I'm going to show you that. So here, put it down like this. Okay. So there you see the two for $6.99, which came to $13.98, and then the two body polishes for $7.19 each, which came to $14.38. My total was $28.36, and we don't discuss the $1.17 tax because everyone's tax is different in every city, state, or borough. Now, if you have some Dove coupons, so the Unilever coupons expired last week, but if you go to Dove.com or Unilever.com and sign up for their newsletter, they will immediately send you $1.50 coupons that you could print off, and you can print off two. So that will give you enough coupons to print for these products. Now, I found a little goodie when I was in the store. Look at this. These are hang tags that were on these products. So, of course, I used all 4 hang tags. And it says available at Target. That just means this hang tag is available at Target, and these products are available at Target. But you can redeem these at any store. And you see it doesn't expire until 12/31/22, to the end of the year. And yes, it says limit one per purchase or product quantity, maximum of 2 identical coupons. But my cashier didn't read. I didn't have the coupon police, so I did use all 4 in this transaction, and you're going to see. And you see it is for any Dove shampoo, conditioner, body wash, bar soap, deodorant, or baby Dove product. So these were a nice find. So there you see, $4 in manufacturer coupons came off. And then if you look up here, you see it says $5 gift card for beauty. I did qualify because you only had to spend $25. So I spent $28. So I did get my $5 gift card. And I paid my balance with a gift card, a Fetch gift card. Okay. So at the register, I paid, here you go, I paid $24.36 on my Fetch gift card. Okay. Here's the $5 gift card that I got. Now, I submitted my receipt to Fetch. And you see I got 7,283 points, which is the same as $7.28, because I got the $4 for the two body polishes. I got the $3 for the foaming body wash, and then you always get extra cents for the other products. So that was another $7.28. So altogether, off of the $28, I got the $5 off for the gift card, the $4 for the coupons, and the $7.28 from Fetch. So when you do the math, when you subtract, the total was $28.36. When you subtract the $4 in coupons, the $5 gift card, and the $7.28 from Fetch, that leaves you an out-of-pocket of $12.36. And when you divide that by 4 items, that means you paid $3.09 for each one of these Dove products. Guys, I'd say that's still a pretty good deal. I'm happy with it. I don't know if you'll be happy with it, but it's a great way to save and a great way to get a good deal on some Dove products. Now, if you have your early inserts, you may have the 10-2 insert. There is a Dove body polish coupon in there, and that will make this deal even better. So I'm hoping my inserts come like early so that I can go out and do that deal for you guys too. So let me know if you did the deal. Come back. Let me know what scent you got. If you got the body polish, the body wash, the pump. Let me know how exactly you did your deal. And until the next time, keep on saving.